Welcome to 4alarmclocks.com. Today we're looking at the Equity by Crosse electric digital large display selectable color alarm clock. This clock actually lets you select the color of the display to your liking. You can choose blue, green, or red, and it will also allow you to do 4 shades of those colors as well. As you can see, it comes with a very nice silver casing with pedestal stand, very easy to use setting buttons. It comes with a very large, easy to read 1.25-inch reverse LCD display. It also shows you the day, the date, and the month. It has a very nice seconds counter, really nice. A lot of clocks don't come with that. So you can see the seconds move if you like it. You can set it to 12 or 24-hour time mode. If you like military time, you might like the 24-hour mode. It has a nice snooze button, easy to reach for a 5-minute snooze, extra naps, extra sleep. It comes with battery backup, and we just think this clock's a real winner. It also comes with Equity by Crosse's industry-leading 2-year warranty. So what we're going to do is turn the lights down a little bit and give you a sample of the time display colors. Okay, right now you're looking at the green, and you can see with the buttons right here on the back, you've got blue, green, red. You just push in the green, it goes off. We're going to push in the red and let you look at the red. And then we're going to do the same thing. Turn off the red. We're going to push in the blue. And if you wanted to make purple, what you would do is you already got the blue pushed in, you just push in the red. Look at that, you got purple. Pretty cool, I have to admit. And I haven't seen any clocks that can do this. This is a real special clock. Also comes with a very nice alarm. We're going to let you hear that now.